Hey guys, it's Twisted Auto Detail. Just giving you a walkthrough about my process on engine cleaning. I have a floor jack or a floor lift, so I can actually put vehicles overhead to where I can actually see underneath the engine, clean it out. Um, Now I'm gonna start the video and let's get it going. So right here, customer brought their vehicle to me strictly for the underneath. They don't have they're not capable by any means being able to clean it out within their garage and their facility. As you can see here, with the amount of dirt, gunk, and grime, I mean, it actually clogged my drain. I had to sweep it instead of let it push down. One, I don't want to have a clogged drain. It's expensive for something very small. And you can see the amount of just buildup here. The oil just dropped everywhere as you just kept driving it. Probably not a bad leak because I mean it drove pretty soundly, so it's just this time is coming. Um, as a detailer, if you're doing this, videotape, videotape, videotape. I would say pictures are worth 1,000 words, but a video you can't hide behind and say you didn't see it as a customer and stuff like that. And this is the kind of stuff I show my customers before they leave. I do an inspection, such as whenever I'm doing engine cleaning. I do an inspection with the customer. I check for engine lights. I do record um, for that, and I do ask the customer, like, "Hey, this is going to be recorded, just for your safety and as well as my own." Um, so I did do a short video with him, just to make sure there's no check engine light, there's no the engine doesn't sound like it's running foul. There's no knock, anything like that that would put me in danger as far as it being my fault, and as well as knowing that the customer's head's in the right spot, and it just makes it comfortable for all. Nope, I had an eyelash in mine. So it's just comfortable for everybody to where if you can kind of rest assured that they're going to be taken care of. It just makes it easier in the long run. And just to kind of show you a brief photo or another video of what that looked like afterwards. And I didn't take a full video. I must have clicked the stop button and I didn't realize it. So that is how much gunk is gone now, to where it's pristine, being able to see through it. And that's the kind of people that I cater my business towards, is because that right there is priceless when you can come to a shop, get it sprayed down, and then you can then, as a either a personal rebuilder or even a company that rebuilds, you don't have or don't want to do it, and you rather just pay somebody else. So yeah, so just to let you know, that is the steps. I start from top to bottom, meaning I do the hood, the interior of the hood, then the top engine, and then I do the underneath. And then if it is really bad, I will go right back to the top, spray it all back down, wash it again, and then go underneath, spray it, call it a day. So with that being said, hopefully it was educational. Um, be careful with your degreasers. Obviously, a degreaser on steel is going to have a different burn effect than aluminum, to where it could actually look like it was burned, like a burn victim on aluminum. So just be cautious and be safe. See ya.